And welcome to my channel. Today is going to be a cook with me video where I'm going to show you guys how to make a taco casserole, of course with the ingredients that I like to use. I feel like this recipe is very simple and easy. Anyone can make it, and for those of you who are working moms or don't know what to make for dinner or don't have the time to make dinner, I feel like this is going to be something very easy and simple for you to make. I guarantee you it's very delicious. I'm going to share it with you guys so that y'all can make it at home, give it a try, and then let me know what you think. But of course, before we get started, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell. That way, anytime I upload a video, you get notified right away. So if you are ready to learn how to make this taco casserole, then please keep on watching. Alrighty, so let's go ahead and get started. These are going to be my ingredients. I'm using paste picante sauce, some Colby Jack cheese, some sour cream, rice, ground beef, some tortilla chips, taco seasoning, and some black beans. Of course, you can choose any type of brand. I just like to use what we have at our local store. Then you want to go ahead and preheat your oven to 350 degrees. And while your oven is preheating, you want to start with your ground beef. I like to use the 93% lean and 7% fat. And just let it cook until it is really well done. Next, you're going to go ahead and add your taco seasoning. I always like to purchase these little packets that are already made, but of course you can make your own if you wish. And mix it all around until it is nice and covered with the seasoning. Next, you want to go ahead and add your black beans and just mix it around and let it simmer for a few minutes. I like to use the Uncle Ben's ready rice. This is something that you just microwave for 90 seconds and it's ready. Of course, you can go ahead and boil some rice if you'd like. And then once that is done, I'm going to put it on a dish bowl, and then I'm also going to mix in the ground beef with beans. And you're just going to mix it around. Finally, my favorite part is adding the Colby Jack cheese. You want to go ahead and cover the top with enough cheese, and then after that you want to put it in the oven for about 15 to 20 minutes or until the cheese is well melted. After it is done, it should look something like this. However, one ingredient that I forgot to mention earlier is adding some green onion. This is very optional, but I feel like this will make the dish super delicious just by adding it. And your taco casserole is completed. As I mentioned before, very easy and simple to make. Here I'm going to plate it and top it off with two of my favorite toppings, which is sour cream and some picante sauce. Of course, this is optional, but this completes the recipe. I hope you guys try it, and please let me know down below what you thought about it. Hopefully you enjoy it. Thank you guys for watching, and hope to see you guys on my next video. Bye guys!